Hello, our tour of South Carolina continues today with a stop in Berkeley County in the town of Jamestown. This is my second attempt of capturing Jamestown, and it looks like this one will be successful. Jamestown is a uber small town with well under 100 people living in it. And in fact, there are many places in South Carolina that go under the moniker of Jamestown, this being the only incorporated one. So if you just search Jamestown, South Carolina, there's no telling where you're going to find. You could be brought to this one, could be brought to the one near Conway in Horry County, or you could be brought to the one in Florence County. Here's the main drag in Jamestown, and if you missed it and I was just talking over it, there was a cop that had pulled over someone on the left side, unmarked car. I assume probably the only officer in Jamestown. Jamestown has a reputation, according to Wikipedia, as a speed trap. And we saw it there. And yes, folks, that was Jamestown, South Carolina. This will probably be the second shortest video on the YouTube page so far. That was it.